Kikusui Electronics supports quality in advanced technologies around the world through power supplies and measuring instruments. There's an invisible force underpinning our lives and the evolution of industry called power electronics. For decades, Kikusui Electronics has developed and supplied the industrial power supplies and measuring instruments found at the forefront of power electronics. Since our founding in 1951, we have continually refined our world-class technical expertise, building on the long-standing trust of our customers. Today, we provide the foundation for electrical evaluation, testing, and measurement in more than 40 countries worldwide. We support manufacturing operations by providing the regulated power supplies and measuring instruments essential for evaluation tests, such as checking whether products function correctly and ensuring there are no safety issues. We use our in-house electromagnetic anechoic chamber and a range of testing equipment to help take our product evaluations to the very limit. Each one of us strives to be our own harshest critic. This commitment is reflected in our proven track record. Our regulated power supplies for evaluation testing and our electrical safety testers, two of our flagship products, each boast top market share in Japan. From product planning to after-sales service, our integrated system allows feedback from the front lines to be swiftly incorporated into product development. We provide our services not only within Japan, but also globally through our overseas offices. These are supported by our production sites through expert skills honed over many years and a passionate commitment to quality down to the finest detail. We also conduct extensive quality control based on our own strict standards. Each and every step is essential to building trust in the Kikusui brand. No matter how the world might change, we never compromise our standards. Taking responsibility for quality is what drives us at Kikusui Electronics.